Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a new Google Sheet and naming it for the calendar year. This gives you a clean canvas. Next, create a small control panel at the top. Enter year, month number, the date for the first day, and the weekday index. Once done, lock those cells with data validation and protected ranges so formulas don't break. You'll also pre-allocate columns to the right for event title, date, all-day toggle, and color so entries flow into the calendar grid automatically. You now construct the visible 6x7 calendar grid using formulas. Start a top left cell with date, year cell, month cell, 1 and shift it by weekday difference to place the first day correctly. Then fill the grid horizontally with +1 day formulas and wrap blanks when outside the month. After populating dates, apply conditional formatting rules that gray out days not in the current month and highlight weekends. This visually separates current dates. Make sure references are absolute so changes to year or month update the whole grid instantly. You finish by linking events from your event table to the calendar cells. Use filter or query to return events where event date equals the grid date, then show the first 3 results with text join or index to avoid overflow. Once linked, format cells to wrap text, set row heights, and color code via event color field. Finally, double-check named ranges and absolute references if numbers shift. If events disappear, ensure date/time types match exactly, and recalculation settings are on so formulas refresh correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.